Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today, I'm gonna show you how to share games across multiple Steam accounts. So first, log into the Steam account that you want to share with. Click Steam, then click Settings. Under Account, go to Manage Steam Card. Then select this option and make sure that this is enabled to both accounts. Then you will go back to Settings, go to Family, then authorize library sharing. Then inside this box, you will just check who you are sharing this with. And once done, log into the other account and you may want to play these games. Just make sure that you will communicate with the other account since it will send an email to the email address of this account to verify that the account is not hacked and you're the one who's playing. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.